Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to simulate the 7 logic gates using the app Logic Gate Simulator. I hope you listen carefully and understand the video as I walk through it. First, I am going to open the app Logic Gate Simulator. After that, as you can see, we have the add button or the plus button, and here we have on the right side the settings button. We're going to click the add button. Here we have file name and our templates. So I would indicate this one, the file name, as ungate. And for our templates, we're going to choose the blank. Then the check button after. Here we have a blank template. And above it, we have the plus button or the add button, the undesigned, the save button, and the play button. Under the plus button or the add button, we have the logic gate, the input, output, flip-flop, and the text label. We are going to label this one as an ungate. Or it is not necessary to put since we have given this an file name which is the ungate. So we should make it bigger, not that big. Okay, just that enough. And after that, we are going to click this logic gate. Under the logic gate, we have the 7 logic gates. We have the ungate, the OR gate, the NOT gate, the NOT ungate, NOT OR gate, exclusive OR gate, and the exclusive NOT OR gate. First, we are going to simulate the ungate. So, here is the symbol for our ungate. There is a 2 input and 1 output. For our input, we are going to need a toggle switch. We are going to choose toggle switch. So since there are 2 input, we are going to need 2 toggle switch. Just align that one, the first toggle switch. There. After that, we are going to need 1 output. This red lamp, green lamp, yellow lamp, and 7 segments represents as our LED. So it is up to you what to choose. So for me, I'm going to choose the red lamp for our LED. After that, we are going to connect the toggle switch to our input. The first toggle switch to the first input, the second toggle switch to the second input, and our output to the LED. This will have a connections. Now we are going to click this play button to see and to know how this ungate works. In the ungate truth table, when both of the input value is in the off stage where the toggle switch is being connected, the output where the LED is connected will be in the off stage. When the first input value is off and the second input value is on, the output will be in the off stage. But when it is inverse, the first input value is in the on stage and the second input value is in the off stage, the output is off. But when both of the input value where the toggle switch is connected is in the on stage, the output is on or the LED will light. That is how the ungate work in the truth table. Now we are done simulating one of the 7th logic gate, which is the ungate. We are going to proceed to the second logic gate. So we're going to click this plus button for another template. and entitle this one as our OR gate, and choose the blank template and check button. Here we're going to click the plus button. Under the logic gate, we are going to choose the OR gate. So this is the symbol of our OR gate. We have 2 input and 1 output. For our input, we are still going to choose the toggle switch. 2 toggle switch since we have 2 input. And an output which will be, let's choose green lamp. So we're going to align this one there, there, and there. After that, we are going to have a connections. By having a connections, we are going to connect the first toggle switch to the first input and the second toggle switch to the second input, and our output to our LED there. Now we are going to hit display button to see how this OR gate work. As we all know, if the toggle switch that is connected to the input flashes red, it means on. But if it is not, it is off. In our truth table in the OR gate, if both the input where the toggle switch is connected is in the off stage, the LED will not light. If the first input is off and the second input is on, the LED or the output will on. But if it is inverse, the first input is on and the second output is off, the LED will still light. And if both of the toggle switch where the input is connected is on, it is expected that the outcome where the LED is connected will light. So this is how the OR gate works. Let us hit this add button and click the text label, because we should not forget to label this one as our OR gate. Then check button, and also don't forget to save what you have done or save the work that you do there. After that, click this back button. I am going to hit this add button to have a new template for our third logic gate, which is the NOT gate. And for our template, we are using the blank, and then hit this check button. Then click this add button, logic gate, and look for our NOT gate symbol. In our NOT gate symbol, we have 1 input and 1 output. For our input, we are going to use toggle switch. And for our output, we are going to use the yellow lamp as our LED. After that, we are going to give this a connection by connecting our toggle switch to the input and our output to the LED. Then, label this one as NOT gate. Then, after that, we are going to hit display button to see how this NOT gate works. In our NOT gate truth table, if the input value is off, the output is on. And if the input value is on, the output is off. This NOT gate is sometimes referred as the inverter. So you see, this is how the NOT gate works. And after that, we are going to hit this one, and then don't forget to save, and then click the back button. Same sequence, we are going to hit this add button, and then in our file name we are going to indicate this one as the NAT AND gate, and blank as our template, and hit this check button. After that, click this add button, logic gate for the symbol, and look for the NAT AND gate. In our NAT AND gate, we have 2 input and 1 output. For our input, we are going to use the toggle switch. 2 toggle switch since we have 2 input. Oopsie. There. And then the output, we are going to use the red lamp as our LED. And then don't forget to give this a connection by connecting the toggle switch to the input, and the second toggle switch to the input, and the output to the LED. After that, I'm gonna label this one as the NAT AND gate. Then we are going to run this NAT AND gate and hit this play button. So in the NAT AND gate truth table, if both of the input value is off, the output is on. If the first input is off and the second input is on, the output is on. And if it is reversed, the first input is on and the second input is off, the output is on. And if both of the input is on, the output is off. The NAT AND gate is the opposite of the AND gate. So you may now know how this NAT AND gate works. And after that, we are going to click this one, and then don't forget to save, then click this back button. Now we have 4 logic gate: the AND gate, the OR gate, NOT gate, and the NAT AND gate. Another add button for another template. So I'll indicate this one as the NOT OR gate. Then blank as our template, then hit this check button. Then add button, logic gate as our symbol, and this as our NOT OR gate symbol. In our NOT OR gate symbol, we have 2 input and 1 output. For our input, we are still going to use the toggle switch, 2 toggle switch, and then our output, we are going to use the green lamp. So here, we're going to make this right. There. And then give this a connection by connecting the toggle switch to the input, and the second toggle switch to the second input, and the output to the LED. And after that, label this one as the NOT OR gate. Then we are going to hit this play button to run how this NOT OR gate work. In our NOT OR gate truth table, if both of the input is off, the output is on. If the first input is off and the second input is on, the output is off. If it is reversed, the first input is on and the second input is off, the output is off. And if both of the input is on, the output is still off. The NOT OR gate is the opposite of the OR gate. Now you see how this NOT OR gate works. Then after you see that, we are going to click this button, and then save. Then click this back button. Another add button, for we need another template for 6 logic gate, which is the exclusive OR gate. Unblank as our template, and then hit this check button. And then click this add button, logic gate for the symbol, which is the exclusive OR gate. Our exclusive OR gate has 2 input and 1 output. For our input, we are going to use the toggle switch. 2 toggle switch since we have 2 input. And then an output that is green lamp. Then we are going to give this a connection by connecting the toggle switch to the input. The second toggle switch must be connected to the second input, and the output must be connected to the LED. After that, we are going to label this one as the exclusive OR gate. Oops. Oopsie. There. Then after that, we are going to hit this play button to see how this exclusive OR gate work. In our exclusive OR gate truth table, if both of the input value is the same, the output is off and on otherwise. As you can see, both of the input is off, so the output is off. And if the first input is off and the second input is on, the output is on. If the first input is on and the second output is off, the output is on. And if both of the input is on, the output is off. So there, that is how the exclusive OR gate work. After that, we're going to click this one, then save. I'm going to hit this add button, for we need the last template for our last and 7th logic gate, which is the exclusive NOT OR gate. And then blank for our template, and then hit this check button. Then add button, logic gate for the symbol of the exclusive NOT OR gate. In the exclusive NOT OR gate, we have there 2 input and then 1 output. For our input, we are gonna use the toggle switch, another toggle switch for the input, and then an output, which is the the output, which will be the red lamp. There. Then after that, we are going to give this one connection. The connection is that the toggle switch must be connected to the input, and the second toggle switch must be connected to the second input, and the output must be connected to the LED. Then label this one as the exclusive NOT OR gate. Then hit this check button. And then we are going to test and run this exclusive NOT OR gate to see how this works. So in the truth table of the exclusive NOT OR gate, if both of the input value is the same, the output is on and off otherwise. So here, as you can see, both of the input value is off, so the output is on. And if the first input is off and the second input is on, the output is off. And if it is inverse, the first input is on and the second input is off, the output is off. And if both of the input value is 1 or on, the output is on. So here is the exclusive NOT OR gate work. So this is the last this is the last logic gate that we are going to simulate. After that you know that how this logic work, we're going to click this one, and then don't forget to hit this save button, and then click the back. Here we have the 7th logic gate that we simulated: the AND gate, the OR gate, the NOT gate, the NOT AND gate, the NOT OR gate, the exclusive OR gate, and the exclusive NOT OR gate. Now we are going to simulate the 7 logic gates, starting from AND gate, OR gate, NOT AND gate, NOT OR gate, exclusive OR gate, and the exclusive NOT OR gate. It will showcase all the overall logic gates. So to see that, we're going to hit this add button, and then we're going to indicate this file name as the 7 logic gates. Oh my god. 7 logic gates. And then for our templates, we're going to choose the logic gate, and then hit this check button. As you can see here in our template, we have 2 toggle switch. The first toggle switch is connected to the first input of every logic gates, and the second toggle switch is connected to the second input of each of the toggle switch, and each of the logic gate has an output, and that is connected to every LED or LED. Now we are going to hit this play button to see how each of the logic gate will work. And as you can see in our truth table, if both of the input value is off or not flashes red this toggle switch, as you can see, the logic gate that is on in the output is the NOT gate, the NOT AND gate, the NOT OR gate, and the exclusive NOT OR gate. If the first input value is off and the second input value is on, the logic gate that flashes red or that is on is the OR gate, the NOT gate, the NOT AND gate, and the exclusive OR gate. And if it is inverse, the first input value is on and the second input value is off, the logic gate that is on is the OR gate, the NOT AND gate, and the exclusive OR gate. And if both of the input value is the on stage, the logic gate that is on in the output is the AND gate, the OR gate, and then the exclusive NOT OR gate. So you see there, that is how the logic gate or each of the logic gate works, just using 2 toggle switch. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for listening, and I hope you gathered some information from this. Bye.